Hey there, music enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest musical instruments and gear. Today, we have something special in store for all the guitar aficionados out there. We're diving into the world of 12-string guitars with the Vangoa 12-string acoustic electric cutaway guitar bundle. Now, before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. So, what makes the Vangoa 12-string guitar stand out from the crowd? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about sound. With its sapele body, this guitar offers a consistent, balanced tone that's compatible with a diverse range of playing styles. Whether you're strumming chords or fingerpicking melodies, the Vangoa 12-string delivers a rich, resonant sound that's sure to impress. Now, when it comes to tuning, precision is key. That's why the Vangoa 12-string guitar features 18:1 ratio tuners, allowing for more precise adjustments to ensure your instrument stays in tune for longer periods of time. Plus, the nickel-plated sealed pegs provide durability and long-lasting performance, even in challenging conditions. Comfort is another important factor to consider, especially for beginners. The slender C-shaped neck of the Vangoa 12-string guitar provides a cozy hold, while the gloss finish not only looks sleek but also enhances the overall playing experience. And with strings nicely close together, you won't need to exert too much muscle strength to produce beautiful music. But wait, there's more. This bundle comes with everything you need to kickstart your musical journey. From a 5mm padded bag for easy transport to a backup string set, Vangoa has you covered. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and fast response service, you can buy with confidence knowing that your investment is protected. So, whether you're a beginner looking to explore the world of 12-string guitars or a seasoned player in search of a reliable instrument, the Vangoa 12-string acoustic electric cutaway guitar bundle has got you covered. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And as always, stay tuned for more unbiased reviews and informative content from Product Critique. Until next time, keep on strumming.